Hi guys, let's take a look on Hijoe 20-inch folding fat bike. We use 48-volt 18 Ah lithium battery, which can power the bike to be 120 kilometers. With 48-volt 700 watts brushless motor, with max speed 34 miles per hour. Aluminum with folding design frame. Suspension fork. Front and rear LED lights. When you're braking, the lights is on. And then we use hydraulic disc brakes. You can see the brake lever here. And the front disc. Hydraulic. Rear also hydraulic. And then we use 4-inch fat tire with big fender. And we use foldable saddle, so easier to take out the battery. Shimano 7 gears. Pedal assisted. When you're pedaling, the motor is working. You can see the pedal sensor here. Suspension fork. Big fender. Let's see the handlebar. We use big LCD display. Turn on and off here. Setting here and add or minus the speed here. Now it's level 1. When we minus to level 0, it change to a regular bike without the electronic. And then we push from 1 to 5. It will has pedal assisted and the throttle is working too. When in level 5, the max speed will be 34 miles per hour. Take a look on full view. Folding bike from Hijoe Bikes. Thank you.